Hey, Phil here, and I just wanted to take a quick moment to ask you, how have you been enjoying this class? Recently, Udemy made some changes to their review system, and they're prompting people earlier and earlier to leave a review for the class. After taking just a few minutes of the course, it's kind of hard to know whether you should give the class a 1-star rating or a 5-star rating. And that's why I wanted to create this video, so that I can catch you early on in the course and give you a heads up that you will be prompted to leave a review for this class early on. If you have or if you haven't, I hope that you have enjoyed this class so far, and I honestly hope that it's a 5-star course for you. If you do like my class, then you're making my cat and I very happy. While I hope it's a 5-star course for you, I know for many of you it's not going to be a 5-star worthy course. And that's why I'm asking you today, what can I do to make this course even better? I'm going to be spending the next few months improving this course and all of my courses, and I'm looking for people like you who can give me direct feedback for how to make this course a 5-star course in your opinion. And if you think it's a 5-star course, I'm sure that many of the other students in this class will think it's a 5-star course as well. Please send me a direct message through Udemy with your thoughts. Give me some specific ideas of what I can do to improve this class. I will work my hardest to make sure that I make those changes or updates as soon as possible. And if you are in another class of mine, you probably will see this video in that class as well. So when you do send me a message, please let me know which course you are talking about so that I can use your advice to improve that course. When Udemy does prompt you to leave a review, please feel free to leave an honest review, and I would appreciate if you write a few sentences and not just click 1 through 5 stars, but actually leave a few sentences about what you're enjoying about this course or what you're not enjoying about this course. I can't wait to hear your feedback and see your reviews. Thank you for letting me barge in here and break up the content of the course, and we'll see you in the next lesson.